Nike continues to celebrate its rich archive by bringing back beloved color stories in fresh ways, and this approach carries into 2026 with the upcoming Dunk Low Easter. Inspired by a fan favorite Air Force One from 2006, this release taps into the soft pastel aesthetic that defined many iconic sneakers from the mid-2000s. The original Easter-themed Air Force One stood out for its mix of yellow, turquoise, and light lavender, along with playful holiday details like a cracked Easter egg graphic on the insole. That same spring-ready energy now arrives on the Dunk Low, featuring a glossy patent leather upper dressed in familiar pastel tones. Nike also adds light pink accents, giving the shoe a slightly updated look rather than a direct remake. Easter-themed symbols return on the insoles to tie everything together. While Nike has not confirmed an official release date, expectations point to an early April 2026 launch, just in time for the Easter season.